Well, Assalamu alaikum. Uh, I hope you are doing great. Well, the previous lesson will learn how we can create this data set by using the Excel formula called rand array, right? And we use the rand array in order to not to consume so much time. If we start to fill each cell, like to create something like that, that will be too much time consuming, sorry. So with the aid of rand array to create this number right here, and the flash fill, we use the flash fill to create some something like this, like Msesani, like some other store, Moshi store, Mosh A store, I don't know, Mosh B, something like that, right? We created it. Now, by using this data set, we're going to do some analysis, all right, by use pivot table, right? We're going to create, in an Excel, we've got some insert ribbon. We've got this a pivot table, right? What is it? We summarize the complex data in a pivot table, which means we can do some summarize. We can arrange the complex data like this. These are complex data from this data set. Oh, sorry, from this data set. It's it's not easy to know how many M-Pesa we have made for the maybe January, or how many bank we made, how many bank transaction we made for the whole year of 2023. By use the pivot table, it's easy to know exactly how many we earn from the maybe like a whole year, all right? So with a pivot table, it's easy. It's really simple. You just go to the ribbon of insert, and then all the way to pivot table, and click. All right, and there is this kind of pivot table form pop up and ask you the new worksheet or exiting worksheet. For me, I have prepared my page, the worksheet for pivot table, which is right here. So I'm gonna click right here and press it as a pivot table as this one here, and somewhere, let's say here, right? And okay, sorry, okay, okay, let's do it again. Let's do this again. Again, insert table and existing, all right, worksheet all the way to pivot table, and click here, and then okay, boom. Now we can start with maybe date, right, to the rows, and after date all the way we can take the total cell into the value. The value, it's a value, the money. That's what that's all what it is all about. The money, right? The rows, something that stand for value, right? Like value at the right, then the row at the left, something like that. And we get the column. The column, it is something up. It's going to something up. Like I can say like region. I can put here. Okay, into the column. You see, for the The rest for Arusha, we have made 5 billion. Jerusalem have made 20 billion, and the other, and so, right? For the This is how we use. Okay. Uh, but this is not what but this is not what I want. Okay, maybe I can even check this out uh, and leave with put the money here. Okay, I think we need yeah, this region. Yeah, region. Okay, yeah. See, and the column. Maybe we can put the here. See, for the 2023 up to 2024. Here's what we made on 2023 was 32 and 32 billion, and for the 2024 we made 24 billion, which is we drop a little bit. So this is how we use the pivot table to create so many different types of format that we want. Okay, we can copy this. All right, paste, and here we can remove the region and this column. Remove it, and we need the stores. Is these the stores that we have? Okay. So this is exactly what happened.